Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite girl igboticnono, your favorite Igbo teacher. If you're new to this channel, please click on the red button there, the subscribe button there, join this family. Okay, also like this video, because when you do, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people and it's really gonna make me very happy as well. Okay guys, happy new year. Yes, happy new year. Okay, in today's video we're going to be learning punctuation marks in Igbo language. Yes, English punctuation marks. We also have punctuation marks in Igbo language. The same thing, but of course a different name. Yes, and in today's video we'll be learning it. I have my book here already. As I told you guys, I usually make my notes. Yes, so I have it down here and I'll be showing you guys the symbols here, while I also say the name in Igbo language as well as English language. And without further ado, let's dive into the video of today. Number one, here we have hyphen, the almighty regular hyphen. Yes, I think this hyphen thing, everybody knows about it. So long as you start putting down pen on the paper, I think everybody knows about hyphen. Yes, and this is what the symbol looks like. And in Igbo language it's called akara uhe. Yes, akara uhe. In Igbo language, uhe is space. Do you understand? Uhe is space in Igbo language. When there is space in between is uhe. When somebody tells you make a space, me uhe. Let's make a space. So you understand? And the hyphen is kind of a space, it's dash hyphen. So in Igbo language it's called akara uhe. Akara uhe basically means space. Do you understand? We have another one here is akara u. You know, the exclamation mark that goes this way is called akara u. I know in English language punctuation mark is usually used when a speech has gone like, you know, exclamation mark. So in Igbo language it's called akaramu, because in English language it's almost like, you know, action, that kind of thing. So in Igbo language it's called akaramu. And the third one here we have is akarambuchi. In English it's bracket, you know, the bracket open and close. You know, akara mbuchi is called, is the general name for it, but akara mepe na akara mbuchi. But when it's just together the way it is, it's akara mbuchi. That's the bracket, akara mbuchi. But in somebody can tell you to put only akara mepe, so you only know you're just gonna put one. But when it goes to akara mbuchi, your nose you're gonna, you know, put the whole bracket. So brackets in Igbo is called akara mbuchi. The punctuation mark bracket in Igbo is akara mbuchi. Akara mbuchi. Akara mbuchi. That's the brackets in Igbo language. And we have also here is, you know, the almighty rekom, you know, which is quotation mark. Quotation mark in Igbo is called rekom ungu. Rekom ungu. But if you don't want to start elongating like saying rekom ungu, you can just say only rekom. The quotation mark in Igbo is rekom. Rekom. Quotation mark in Igbo is rekom. 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 Yes, rekom. Rekom. Yes, that is the quotation mark in Igbo. And we have another one here, which is the ellipsis. Ellipsis is the, you know, the three dots. Bam, bam, bam is ellipsis. And Igbo language is called akara nku biri. Akara nku biri. Akara nku is the ellipsis. Ellipsis, you know, the bum 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 is called akara nku. Akara nku. Akara nku. Akara nku. Akara nku in English is called the ellipsis. The three dots, bum bum bum. Akara nku. Akara nku. Do you understand? It's not, you know, of course, you know, when we use it in English language, usually we have not finished saying what you're saying. It has continuation, like bum bum bum. You still want to continue with the speech maybe later, or you still want to elaborate maybe later, or you just still want to leave it there to keep everybody in suspense. Bum bum bum. We have not finished yet. So in Igbo language, it's akara nkubiri. When you have said nkubiri is when you have said something small, but you've not finished it. That is nkubiri. Nkubiri is to say small, is to talk small, but you've not finished. So it's just akara nkubiri, ellipsis in Igbo language. And the almighty tone mark is what we call akara uda olu. I don't know how to explain the akara, but I'm just going to put it up here. You know how it is like Chinese writing. It's called akara uda olu. That's the tone mark. It's called akara uda olu. Akara uda olu. Akara uda olu. Akara uda olu. Akara uda olu is the what? The tone mark. We have another one here, which is the akara maha. Akara maha, the omission mark. Akara maha. Akara maha is the omission mark. So guys, this is the punctuation marks in Igbo language. I just felt we are learning Igbo, so nothing is left out. We have to bring in everything in this space because some people actually are studying Igbo language as a course. So some people want to learn Igbo language as just to be able to communicate. So on this channel, I teach everything Igbo, all round the Igbo, left, right, center, everything about Igbo. We teach it here. Yes, please feel free to put that in the comment section. Any video you want me to put out, any video you want me to bring to your doorstep. Yes, for this channel too, I bring you vlogs from time to time. Just to spice this channel a little bit, you understand? Because all cannot play makes Jack a little boy, right? So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.